Hey guys, it is me, Kaden, and I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be playing with Doll's truck in a box. So here's her box. Here's the blue truck. Here's the doll. Guys, truck! Whoa, truck! Whoa! No, people! Truck, move out the way. Sorry about that. Go away now. I need. Okay, let's get started. Hi, Dad. Hi, you gotta say hi to your mother. Oh, hi, Mom, I guess. Why did you say I guess? And make sure you go in the back. Make sure you go in the very, very back because you know there's only 2 seats right here. Yeah. I know that. She's thinking in her head, it's too cold to be out here. We're 1 hour away from home. And it's my birthday today. Literally. 1 hour later. Bye, honey. Oh, Mom, come on, Mom and Dad, come in. Sorry, hon, but we're going to the club. Okay. And also, honey, yes, before we drive off, no going anywhere. But no buts. You just can't go anywhere. You're 12. They did forget it was my birthday. You see, I have my birthday dress on. You see, you know I have half of my body out. I'm freezing cold. Let me go out. And let me keep this jacket on. Like, gosh, I'm so cold. I really wish I can get that whole entire set with the earrings and the purse and all that stuff. And the bracelet and the glasses. I just want everything. Wait, I'm 13, but I'm supposed to be 16 to drive a car, but Mom and Dad have the same car, so I guess I could drive Mom's car? Mom told me how to drive. Just a little bit, though. Alrighty, get in. Let's go. 10 minutes, we're there. Alrighty, oops. Okay. She went in her favorite shop. Is that the set? I wanted that. I'm sorry, but ma'am, I have it. No fair. It is fair. I touched it first. Yeah, she goes. Me? Oh, my name is Neonlicious. Yeah, you go, Neonlicious. Thanks. Pay for it? Is it your birthday? Yes, I'm having my birthday shirt on, see? Alrighty, it's for free then. Oh my gosh, this is for free. Oh my gosh, time to put this in Mom's car. In the back. Oh, I'm gonna steal it. I'm just kidding. Okay? Boom, and boom. At home. Those 10 minutes away. Oh my gosh, so much. It's time to open it. Oh my gosh, these glasses are my style. I've been waiting for this purse forever. The bracelet, yes. And these white earrings. Come on, earrings. Oh my gosh, everything is perfect. Wow, I'm about to put them on right now. Hey, honey. Oh, what? Why did you get this? I said no stores. Yes, we said no stores, Neonlicious. Mom, Dad, well, I guess you forgot something. Forgot what? It was my birthday, and I got this for free. Not even with your credit card. Well, how did you drive in your car? Did you crash into anybody? No, Mom. No. Good, though. But look on that calendar. Oh, we're sorry. And I was shivering out there. Oh, Delicious, I think you're sick. I'm sorry we let you out there in the cold. No, I'm fine. It's just a little thing. Are you sure? Yeah, but let's see how this jewelry looks on me. Okay, we guess. Okay, I guess too. Okay, let me put this earring in. How does the earrings look on me, guys? They look perfect, Delicious. Great, honey. Why are you guys not really excited? Huh? Why are you guys not really excited? Because we think you have a cold, honey. I am freezing. Just put your stuff on real fast. Okay. And guys, we're not making a part 2, just so you know. Okay, let me put your bracelet on you. Mom, I have it. Okay, honey. I'm 13 today. Happy birthday. Thanks, Mom. Happy birthday, sweetie. Thanks, Dad. Now it's time for the purse. Okay. Look at me. Ooh. Now look at. Ugh. Honey, put it on your this one. Okay? It'll keep on slipping down. Now look at me. Should I go to a fashion show? Already at the fashion show. Dun 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 dun. The winner is Neonlicious. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, and make sure you give us a big thumbs up and comment down something nice to he, she, or us. Yeah, but first, you gotta comment down something to me. And guys, I know my comments are turned off, but you can still, all you have to do is press learn more, and boom, you can just do that. Yeah, so yeah, like we said, make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below. And if you guys like my birthday outfit, then say happy birthday, Neonlicious. And if you don't like it, you're going to jail. I like it. I don't. I'm just kidding. I love your outfit. Thank you. But guys, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Mwah.